How to fix profile change error on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application here. And if you are having an error in changing your profile, you have to check on your Wi-Fi here and make sure that you have a strong connection or you're connected to an internet. Now, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is let's just go to your profile here on your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually tap on edit profile here and then screenshot it. Then tap on the three dash lines here on the upper right and tap on settings. Now, here on settings, what I want you to do next is to go to help and then report a problem and then report problem without shaking here and tap on include and continue. And basically, just explain or briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you can type there you are having a problem on changing your profile and then attach the screenshot and just send it and wait for the Instagram community to get back to you around 42 hours. And basically, that is how you fix profile change error on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.